There is a tradition from Hazrat Abi Sa'id Khudri. They say that the Prophet, peace be upon him, Adgar im Baqaid or Iju el-Fitr,
to the women who were taken away pass on the party. Then he said, "O babe, give good charity because I have been shown."
5. That you are more of hell. He asked, "Why is this?" He said, "You curse too much."
6. Ingratitude of the husband. 7. There is someone more than you, less wise than religion. Don't bite the wise man, I have not seen the giver.
8. The women submitted, "Lord, our religion and intellect." How is the deficiency? He said, "Isn't it that woman's testimony, man's testimony?"
It is half of 9. He said, "Yes." He said, "This is the intellect of a woman."
He said that there is a lack of it. Is not true that women fasting during menstruation is not performed.
Can you please? He said, "Yes, this is his lack of religion." 10. Muslim, Bukhari.
Shah Hadith. Your name is Sharif Saad ibn Malik is Ansari. Qadra is a tribe of Ansar towards which you are related. He is a great scholar, an expert in Hadith.
In the Battle of Kondak and 12 battles, may you be associated with the Holy Prophet.
You are 84 years old, died in 64 are buried in Jannah al-Baqi. Fakir has also visited Anwar's grave. 2 means outside the city.
Remember that the Prophet eyed prayer first. I used to pay, despite the fact that Masjid Nabawi Sharif it is the best mosque.
It was found that Easter prayers playing in the forest is a sunnah, although permissible in the city as well.
3. Which is the prayer in Idgah she went to play.
All during the Prophet's time, Idgah attendance for women was ordered so that Sharia rules listen and pray Eid, or at least Muslim prayer join me.
From men sat separately, Sarkar's sermon then his party. In particular, sermons used to say from Azad Faraqi women attend the same were stopped from, as it will be submitted later.
Jihad at present gave charity to always give charity because in charity women are equal to men.
Sadaqah al-Fitr is not meant here because by coming to this Idgah is paid first.
Remember that a woman charity from your wealth, however,
it can husband's property his permission from I want to give, by express permission either by nickname.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.